Hello guys, welcome to Tech Attack. Today in this video we are going to do the unboxing of MiVi Duopods M1. So let's get started. These are the MiVi Duopods M1 true wireless earphones. On the back side of this box, the super solid base, water and sweat proof resistant, IPX6 certified, one touch pair and play. The MRP on the box is written 4,999 rupees, but I got it on MiVi.com around 2,400 rupees. So let's unbox the MiVi Duopods. Let me remove the plastic. Here on the box, it is written that it will give you the playback time of 5 hours at 70% of volume, but on the website it is not mentioned. On the website it is mentioned that 6 hours of playback time. So let's see what's inside. As you can see here, the MiVi capsule. Let me keep this aside. USB to micro USB cable, co-charging, some ear tips. Down below it is an user manual. So let's remove the plastic from the MiVi capsule. MiVi capsule is made up of plastic. It feels premium in hand. It is a small device which can easily fit in hand or pocket. Here you can see the two earbuds, MiVi branded. When you press the button in the MiVi capsule, you can see the charging port and two LEDs. This is the back side of the MiVi capsule. In the bottom some information is given, like MiVi Duopod's name, model number, charging input, capsule capacity, and it is written made in China. So this was the quick unboxing of MiVi Duopods M1. If you like this video, please press the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more tech related videos.